Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chainsaw depth gauge is probably one of the most overlooked but crucial tools for any serious chainsaw user, ensuring accurate cuts, maximizing blade life, and most importantly, guaranteeing your safety while working with a potentially dangerous power tool. This video will help you understand why a depth gauge is essential, what features to look for when choosing one, and how to use it effectively to get the most out of your chainsaw and your woodworking projects. Number 5. Oregon Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your chainsaw chain sharp and efficient. It's perfect for maintaining your saw in top condition. The durable case keeps all your tools organized and easily accessible. You'll always find what you need, when you need it. It includes round and flat files, a file guide, and a depth gauge to ensure precise sharpening. This will help maintain your saw's performance. A chainsaw wrench and mini screwdriver are also included for complete saw maintenance. These tools allow you to easily access all parts of your saw. The handy stump vise secures your chainsaw while you work, providing a stable workspace in the field. This makes sharpening and maintenance much easier. The felling wedge prevents kickback and ensures safe and controlled cuts. It helps guide the tree in the desired direction. What we like. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for chain maintenance, neatly organized in a durable case. If you value convenience and want a complete solution for keeping your chainsaw sharp, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to tackle all aspects of chainsaw maintenance in one go. What people say. If you use more than one type of chain, and therefore will need multiple different size files for sharpening, this kit is a no-brainer must-buy. Even though I need to supplement it with additional size files, things like the depth measuring gauge are extremely useful. Before I had to rely on micrometers to identify which size round file was which, but this gauge is so simple, you just find the right hole and the corresponding file size mark. The bar clamp for dressing chains in the field is also extremely useful. As most others have said, it is a nice compact go-to set. There are a couple extra files than some others I looked at, which is nice if you have more than one size chain. Sharpener guide worked well for me. Number 4. Oregon 40466 Chainsaw Tools. This tool kit is a must-have for maintaining your chainsaw. It includes everything you need for precise and consistent cuts. The .025 drop center depth gauge ensures accurate settings every time. This makes maintaining your saw simple and efficient. Use it with or without a handle for versatile sharpening. It's perfect for keeping your chain in top condition. The kit comes with simple instructions to guide you through the proper filing technique. Get professional results easily. This kit provides everything needed for accurate depth gauge setting and chain sharpening. Keep your chainsaw performing at its best. What we like. Its simple design makes accurate depth gauge setting a breeze. If you need a straightforward tool for precise chain maintenance and don't need extra accessories, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize simplicity and accuracy in their sharpening process. What people say. I use this to set the depth for my electric chain grinder. Easy to use and holds up good. After using this tool, the chain now cuts like it's brand new. Depth gauge and file are perfect for setting chain depth gauge. File could use a handle, but that is easy enough to buy separately. Great necessary tool. Number 3. Oregon 27742 Chainsaw Tool. Maintaining the correct depth gauge is crucial for your chainsaw's performance. This tool makes setting it accurately and consistently effortless, ensuring optimal cutting. It keeps your depth gauge at the perfect height. This leads to better cuts and extends the life of your chain. We recommend filing your depth gauges at least every third sharpening. This simple step dramatically improves cutting efficiency. This handy tool comes with a flat file that can be used with or without a handle, giving you flexibility in how you work. Clear instructions are included on the packaging to guide you through the proper filing technique. Get perfect results every time. The kit includes everything you need, one depth gauge tool and one flat file. It's all you need for precise chainsaw maintenance. What we like. This tool ensures consistent depth gauge settings for optimal cutting performance. If you're looking for a reliable tool to maintain your chain's cutting efficiency, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to ensure their chainsaw always performs at its best. What people say. I'd say the best part of this kit is the file. The guide is almost accurate, almost. In just a few minutes my chains were as good as new now that the rakers were filed evenly down. The file is a good file, stays clean, removes saw chain rakers in a pass or two. Another thing about this gauge, it's simple to use. Good easy instructions on back of package, so anybody on my crew can use it. But it's a great lil kit for giving a good pretty darn even precise gauge over the raker's drags. And it's fairly fast and easy to get a hang of. Number 2. Husqvarna 5056981-01N Depth Gauge. This innovative depth gauge ensures precise depth adjustments for optimal chain performance. It's designed for various cutting needs, from softwoods to hardwoods. Get maximum chain performance with its precise depth adjustment feature. It allows you to fine-tune the cutting depth for different materials. When cutting softwoods like cedar, it allows you to drop the depth to a mere 0.04 inches, 0.9 millimeters, even with a brand new chain. This prevents damage and ensures clean cuts. For hardwoods such as cypress, adjust it to 0.03 inches, 0.7 millimeters, for efficient and clean cuts. It's built to handle the toughest materials. It provides accurate depth measurements for lumber and other materials, making it an essential tool for any professional or serious DIY enthusiast. Experience the difference precision makes. It's simple to use and provides reliable measurements every time. This ensures consistent and accurate cuts, saving you time and effort. What we like. It offers precise depth adjustment for various materials, maximizing your chain's performance. If you need a tool that allows for fine-tuning based on the wood type, this is a must-have. It's perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who want to optimize their cuts for different woods. What people say. This depth gauge actually works. The other style that touch off two teeth do not work to produce as smooth of a cutting chain as this style will produce. I was sad when I finally lost my last Carlton filoplate that I had bought 20 years ago when I was logging. Glad to see another properly designed progressive style of fileplate. This style of depth gauge guide is great because it only needs to rest on one tooth to set a proper raker height. Gauges that must rest across multiple cutters aren't as accurate on an individual raker basis because the cutters will eventually sit at different heights. Number 1. Husqvarna Depth Gauge Tool. This handy tool ensures precise chain sharpening for your chainsaw. It's designed for accurate depth gauge settings, leading to optimal cutting performance. It's specifically designed for use with .325 narrow curve pitch chainsaw chains. Make sure your chain matches before using it. The simple design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Just follow the instructions for accurate measurements. Get precise depth gauge settings every time, leading to cleaner cuts and longer chain life. No more guesswork. It's built to last, withstanding the rigors of regular use. This ensures you'll have it for many sharpening sessions. By ensuring the correct depth gauge setting, it helps maintain optimal cutting performance. This means less effort and better results. Get yours today on Amazon. Click the link in the description to purchase. What we like. This specialized gauge is designed for narrow kerf chains, ensuring precise depth settings. If you own a narrow kerf chainsaw and need a perfectly fitting depth gauge, this is the one for you. It's easily accessible via Amazon for those who prefer online shopping. What people say. Raker height is just as critical as sharpness. Anyone who sharpens their own chains knows that they must have a depth gauge for the rakers. Best method, most accurate to measure rakers, as this tool uses the adjacent link to reference off of, whereas the other tools reference a number of rakers, averaging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.